3 things that wealthy and affluent people do that working class people don't. Let's get right into it. First, they make their money work for them. They see it as a tool, not as a destination. They invest in their self-development and they don't think twice about making that spend on something that's going to enrich their mentality or enrich their skill set. When they see opportunities, they jump on them, even if it means taking on credit debt. They bet on themselves knowing that if they make this investment, that investment's going to create a flow of money out and a flow of money in. And when you have that flow, it begins to grow. 2, they set goals based on their values and purpose. They know what's important to them and they align what they do with what they believe in, and they do work that makes their soul shine. Number 3, they give back and they create a legacy. For example, I have a mentee from SMU that is a junior, and I spend a lot of my time sharing with her the things that I know from my career so that she can go and be a future leader. My purpose in life is aligned with the way I set my goals. My name is Tina Loren, and I am an AI-driven business and mindset expert. I help you regain your time and reach your highest potential by using AI-driven business and mindset strategies.
If you vibe